What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. On our way down to Orange County right now. We're gonna be meeting up with one of the homies, another YouTuber. You guys probably already see it on the thumbnail if I put it. We're gonna be making a video with the homie Josh Laurent. Saint Laurent. I met him the other day at a car meet and we talked about collabing on a video, so that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I've seen a couple comments on some of my vlogs asking me to collab with him before, so I think it should be pretty cool. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna film exactly, but we got two badass cars. We got the Lambo, we got the GTR, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna find some cool content to make. Maybe give him a ride in the GTR, not sure if he's ever been in one. Maybe go for a ride in the Lambo or something. I don't know. I think Jay's gonna meet up with us later too, so it should be a pretty lit vlog. Anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like button for me. It helps me out a lot, helps the videos get shared more often. We're about 11 minutes away, so let's go. Let's get this vlog started. Can you guys tell a difference on the vlog quality? I've been vlogging with my iPhone for the past, I'm gonna say 2 months straight, guys. Straight iPhone 14. This camera is actually super good on this phone. If anyone has this iPhone, use it for vlogs, guys. It's not that bad. Don't make the excuse that you need a camera to start vlogs, guys, because you really don't. Everyone has a phone in their pockets, whether it's an iPhone 14 or not. iPhone quality is really, really good nowadays. That just goes to show that you don't need a big fancy camera to vlog, guys. So everybody right now, go and make your first vlog, bro. Stop slacking. I know there's a lot of you guys watching right now that have been wanting to start a YouTube channel. Go do it, bro. Go film your first vlog with your iPhone or whatever camera you have and just film, bro. Just try it. You never know where your YouTube channel could go, bro. It could blow up. You can pass me, bro, easily. So do it. Everyone, go right now and make your first vlog. All right, guys. We made it down here to Orange County. The GTR looks so good, bro. I wiped it down this morning. I haven't washed it, but I wiped it down and it actually looks pretty clean. I need some help down below in the comments, guys. What should I do to the GTR? I want to change up the wrap. I want to change up the brake caliper color. I want to change up the wheel color maybe. I want to throw the wing back on. I want to change up the entire thing. I am going to miss this color though, I'm not going to lie. It definitely stands out like crazy and everybody looks. It breaks everybody's necks. Whether you're a car guy or not, you're going to look at this car. We're about to get in trouble today. We got the brightest cars in Orange County. Look at this thing, guys. Don't be Josh's Lambo. This shit is so clean. The wrap is crazy. I saw this thing on a meet the other day, but it looks so sick. Look at this exhaust too, bro. What the heck? This shit's hella loud. I heard you pull up too.
You heard me pull up? That's the biggest flex for real.
It's crazy ass flames probably too, huh?
For like in they, like no flame kit or nothing, just the tune and stuff, and they with the massive flames to shoot is next level.
Yeah, that shit's sick. We gotta film it from the outside too. That'll be tight. He's about to give me a ride in this thing. I'm excited, bro. You guys know I want a Lambo. I want to get an R8 too, but
you want to get an R8?
R8 or Huracan, bro. This is the homie's YouTube channel, his Instagram. You guys will probably already follow him already. Damn, with the orange interior too. And you got the stars on.
Oh yeah, of course.
We both do. That's just sick.
The stars the hardest part.
Sheesh.
Stars to shooting stars too.
Oh yeah, you do. I don't have shooting stars in mine, but
you don't.
Let's see if we can catch them.
That's like a it's like a different type of thing. Oh yeah, there it goes.
That's tight.
Hold on, I can't let little baby copyright you. Little baby got enough money.
Bro, I
heard
you say that in the last vlog. I was dying, bro.
We need our own money. All right, so I'm about to let you experience the craziest Huracan, stock Huracan you'll ever experience.
And you got the cup holder. I heard this shit's expensive, no?
Yeah, option? It is. Yeah, that's like an expensive option. So I mean, like, it come in handy. Loud as ever, full straight pipe.
I don't know how you don't get pulled over. Especially around here, guys. This area is kind of hot with cops.
Bro, I be chilling, bro. Like most of the time, I'm not like no like super fast driver.
Yeah,
like,
same. I don't really drive crazy.
If you see me off camera, I be like, I real deal be chilling. I might like cruise at a higher speed,
same,
but
bro.
I'm not like in and out of cars, like going crazy. I be like chilling and cruising.
Look at yours.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This
Big
is a bunch of sick cars. Bro, I need one of these cars, guys. we need a V10.
Coming soon. Come make to get a V10 soon.
I know, bro. I'm telling you guys, I want an R8 or a Huracan, something like that. Bro, do you guys hear those pops? They literally feel like gunshots are coming out the back of the car.
Hearing it from the outside is even crazier, bro.
We gotta hop on the freeway after this so I can follow you. Oh my god, bro.
And that's not even nothing.
Oh my god, bro. car is so sick. I would never get bored of this car, guys, I swear.
Bro, you never get bored. Like, it's hard to get bored of this thing.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
And plus, it's like, the one thing I love about this car is everybody know what it is.
I know.
So it's like, you can go anywhere.
And everyone will look.
And then even non-car people know, oh my god, it's Lambo.
But especially with this wrap, bro.
Facts.
Everybody's gonna be looking. I thought my wrap stands out a lot, but this one definitely stands out a lot. But we should drive around and get people's reaction. Oh my god, bro, what the?
That jack was great. I know that was like a fat flame too.
You can tell when they're bigger. I know, bro. My GTR is not this loud at all. It shoots flames though.
It does?
The pops are pretty loud, but the acceleration and shit, this is way louder, bro. This is
I gotta
crazy.
see the flames.
I know. But this thing is so crazy, guys. Josh is on a racetrack right now.
You know, I'm real to a race car driver, born in the flood type beat, you know. They come naturally. Everybody looks. That's the best part. Especially like this wrap grab a lot of kids' attention.
Oh,
too.
for sure.
Like, bro, kids be going crazy.
Guys, I would never get bored of this car.
Right,
And he daily drives it, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh, he going crazy.
M5?
You know what I noticed out here? The BMWs, so you know I'm from Michigan, Detroit, all that stuff. The BMWs out here are like scat packs in Detroit.
Yeah, everyone has one or what?
Everybody got one, and that's like that wild, like young person car that you
I
see
know,
doing
bro.
donuts and stuff. The BMWs are the menaces out here. The scat packs and Mopars, they still menaces here too, but that's like the real Michigan menace.
I know there's a lot of BMWs out here.
Yeah.
Everyone has one.
Yeah, everybody has
I think
one.
my whole channel was just strictly BMW at first.
Really?
And then I switched to GTR, but
Yeah.
you
No.
too, you had a Hellcat, right?
Yeah, I had so I started with the Scat Pack, then I went to the Hellcat Red Eye. I got my Corvette, then I got the AMG, then I got the McLaren, then
Big
I got
baller.
Man, we just growing in life trying to elevate, be great, you know what I'm saying? That's all it takes.
GTR time?
GTR time. I'm ready for that. I haven't been in the GTR in like, I don't know, bro, it's been years.
It's fun, but I feel like your car's still, I don't know. I think this thing's crazier.
Bro,
Mine's fast, but
Look
I
at
think this is way more
look
fun
at
to drive.
them tires on there. You talking about fast? That's 1,200 horsepower. I don't want to hear it.
This thing is so loud. And that was with the windows up the entire time. You can't even think inside, bro. It's so loud. Maybe we'll hop on the freeway again after I give him a ride and we can see like from the outside. I want to hear from the outside, bro.
Yeah, nah, outside,
That'd be sick.
It might blow your eardrum out.
I don't think I've ever cruised with you and heard it from the outside.
Really?
I swear. Anyways, we're about to give him a ride in the GTR now, guys.
This boy moved. This is probably faster than my car. God dang! That's hard! Holy crap! What the heck? Bro.
Alright, we gave the homie Josh a ride. If you guys want to see his reaction, go to his channel, guys. You can see his reaction to the GTR. We did a couple pulls, shot some flames. What do you want to do? Should we race them next?
We should race them next.
Maybe next video, guys. If you guys want to see us race.
Tires on, you gonna smoke me. Like, no.
I don't know, bro. I honestly don't know who would win, guys. The Lambo or the GTR, we'll see. But if you guys want to see that video, comment down below.
Facts.
Who do you guys think will win?
It's fast. You sitting there downplaying it. Then you took off. Made my neck jerk. I said, oh, snap. Yeah, that's 5 minutes. Thanks, bro.
These cars, guys, they just get too much attention, bro.
Like that.
Look how bright they are, too.
Facts. Pull up one-on-ones, get attention, bam.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.